This is all about Thursday night when my friend invited me to go with them. To join with them rather. English yung attack. Di mo kinaya yung intro English. Nagkita ka kami sa Al Aruba Kingdom Tower. Nagkayayaan magkape-kape since the last time na nagkape kami, 2024 pa. Sobrang tagal. Ano. So, dito sa Kingdom Tower, dito lang kami tumambay hanggang alas 10. So, after lumipat kami sa restaurant, wala kaming pinag-usapang iba. Ano lang, kwentuhan ng good vibes about life. Pagkasama namin si Isa, yun, sira-sira ang buhay ng bawat isa. Ganon. Pag kami lang ni Judah magkasama, yung usapan namin about Bible, cover to cover, from Genesis to Revelation, pa Matthew to Malakay, ganon yung atake. Ganon, wala kaming... Or minsan, love life. Pero no problem yung love life.